Engage is a virtual communications platform that makes it easy to host your own virtual events, meetings, and classes. Bring together friends and colleagues in a variety of ready-made locations. Customize the locations by adding in 3D objects, images, videos, and audio files. Save these as a snapshot so you can add them in easily again to this location or others at another time. Or create your own persistent location that you and your team can jump back into, enabling you to work together whenever you want. Engage offers a wide range of tools to help you tailor your own events. Host virtual meetings and share presentations and videos with others by connecting your cloud connections or simply stream from web links or your desktop. Set up whiteboards, brainstorm with sticky notes, and draw in session with our 3D pen. Create virtual events and invite people to join you. Use 3D audio for smaller breakout sessions, making conversations more personal and lifelike. Build your own content in the content editor, adding animations and audio. Then play back your content and recordings for others, so they can relive the experiences you've created. Bring together classmates in your own virtual campus, customized to suit your brand. Host class discussions and presentations in our lecture halls and theatres. Use the 360 room to transport your group on virtual field trips. Or simulate real-life experiences in themed locations to gain a deeper understanding of real-world scenarios. Engage. Virtual communications made real.